Plumlogix is a leading Salesforce partner enabling digital transformation across education, nonprofit, government, retail sectors, and more. We deliver cutting-edge tech solutions, transforming your vision into reality, powered by innovation, transparency, and technical mastery. Meet our leading education sector client with a global presence in over 150 countries, serving 5,000 schools and 531,000 users. But their legacy system was holding them back, with data security vulnerabilities, duplication issues, and a need for distinct applications for operational engagement. That's when they turned to Plumlogix. Our team quickly understood their challenges and provided tailored strategies for data modeling and quality, code maintenance, process automation, and duplication management and prevention. The outcomes were remarkable. Enhanced user experience, modernized capabilities, and a streamlined system that bridged gaps between educational institutions, governments, and international organizations. Our client achieved a cutting-edge Salesforce solution that transformed their operations and empowered their users. See how Plumlogix can help your organization succeed. Plumlogix, unlocking success. Learn more at www.plumlogix.com.